statewide forecast with meteorologist Pat Walker.
Well, welcome back to Arkansas Today. Hey, another very warm morning. Most of us had a low temperature in those lower 70s. Some of us, like Fayetteville, Clinton, Searcy, dropped to the upper 60s. Same thing in Arkadelphia and El Dorado. Basically, everybody else in those lower to mid 70s. A very warm, muggy morning, a hot, humid day. Temperatures, though, in northwest Arkansas aren't going to be as hot as the rest of the state. Not because it's northwest Arkansas, but because we already have the thick cloud cover and some scattered rain and thunderstorms already into northwest Arkansas. This stretches all the way back from eastern Oklahoma into Fayetteville, up to all the way past Springdale to Lowell, back to Siloam Springs, Eureka Springs, even some rainfall into Harrison and some just north of Yellville too, into Marion County. Nothing yet through the River Valley. We may get a couple of showers or thunderstorms in 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon in northern Johnson or Pope County, maybe even to Van Buren and Cleburne counties. But as of right now, nothing just yet. Look at this though. Fayetteville's at 80. Had rain a little bit longer. Fort Smith, though, 90 degrees. Russellville, Little Rock, both 92. It's 92 down in El Dorado, 90 in Stuttgart, 90 in Monticello. It's 91 in DeQueen. But, of course, what's it really feel like? When you really step outside, it doesn't feel like 92 in Little Rock. It feels like 99. Feels like 101 in Searcy. That's the heat index. It feels like 100 in DeQueen. Arkadelphia at 99. Hot Springs 100, and the heat index is 98 degrees. In El Dorado. We're going to see those heat index values for central, northeast, south Arkansas all getting over 100 this afternoon. Now, tomorrow may be a little different story. May not get so hot as more rain and thunderstorms and cloud cover kind of moving in from the northwest. So looking at a little bit of a cooler trend. And then Thursday, check this out. It's the flip side. South Arkansas, Thursday afternoon, may be a place where we don't have the high heat index because the rain and thunderstorms may be concentrated there as opposed to central or north Arkansas. So the key to being cool this week is not going to be a cold front. It's going to be, are you underneath the rainfall? For today, it looks like it's going to be, at least for this afternoon, mainly across northern Arkansas as that wave is moving eastward. But do expect to see another little wave develop later on this afternoon in northwest Arkansas, which could move into central Arkansas. There is a cold front may move in the northern part of the state, but as it moves into Arkansas, it's never going to have enough oomph or enough density to actually get over the Ozarks. So it's never really going to push much farther into the state. So we'll watch storms this afternoon in the northern half of the state, maybe just an isolated thunderstorm in central or in south Arkansas. But I do expect to see another wave developing in the northwest Arkansas as we get into this evening. It's that second one that may, since we've got this area in northwest Arkansas already cooled down, that may kind of reach into the hotter and more humid air of the River Valley and then move into central Arkansas for the overnight hours. And I think a lot of the state along I-40 could be seeing some rainfall tomorrow morning, and then eventually it keeps moving down toward the south. But notice this front's barely in the state, and notice it kind of just changes into a stationary front as we get throughout the week, with the rain chances still staying pretty high all the way through Thursday. In fact, there's going to stay rain possible even for the end of the week and through the weekend, although Wednesday and Thursday will be the days where we really have the highest rain chances. Now, how much rain? I think generally anybody in the state can expect an inch. Doesn't mean everybody's going to get an inch of rain this week, but I think anybody can expect an inch. But keep in mind, there are going to be some locations that may see thunderstorms 2, 3 times, and you're going to see maybe some heavy rainfall. So there'll be a few isolated spots that may pick up 3 or more inches of rain. So could be very wet in a few spots. That's your statewide forecast. Now, here's your local forecast.